Crafty people, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a recap video for the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar days 11 through 15. So if you missed any of the other unboxing shorts, I do have a playlist for that, and I will put that in the description box and over on my blog at egidesigns.com, so you can go check out the other episodes. And I do have the other recap videos under there, as well as anything that I make with these products. So let's get going. So this week, the 11th through the 15th, a lot of really cute things. The first thing that we have is for day 11, we have the stamp set, and this has a lot of great sayings for things that are in this advent calendar. So for example, we make a great pair, and that would go really well with the toast from last week. Let's chat soon. We have a telephone. I'm here for you. I heard it's your birthday, again with the phone. So you have some sentiments to go with all these cutie die cuts. So day 12 is this super fun old phone. This is really easy to put together, but I love the way that it looks. I'll show you on the back. So it's got a couple of layers, and it's got the twirly cord piece as well. So you can make it however you would like to. And then day 13, I have this little mini embossing folder, and this is a beautiful floral design. I put this on some of the brushed black cardstock. I think that looks so cool, and it looks awesome on both sides. Right? Alright, and then day 14 brought us this cutie little inchworm. His face is just so funny to me. He's got those like cartoony eyes that looks like, I don't know, like he's either so excited or, you know, like he's just like gonna, it's like popping out. And this came with this really fun leaf. I've never seen anything like that. I thought that was very interesting. And then it has a few raindrops. And then day 15, we have this super cute fishbowl, and I had put this on a piece of cardstock because there's a lot of pieces and there's a lot of paper piecing you can do, so I just needed a good solid base for that. But you get the fishbowl, you get the water part, and then you get a couple layers for the fish. This looks like a betta fish, I think. And of course it's purple, so you know. So that was day 15. And I'm curious to know which day is your favorite. I was looking through the amount of people watching per day, and so far the favorite for this week is the day 13, the embossing folder. So I don't know, I think they're all really great. I really love the phone. If you want to put in the comments what one is your favorite this week, I'd be really curious to know what that is. For last week, it settled out that the butterfly stencil was the winner for that. So we'll see where this one goes. But this is such a super cute embossing folder. Alright, thanks so much for stopping by today on this recap video. I will have another recap for days 16 through 20. So make sure that you are signed up for notifications for that, or you're checking the playlist so you can look at everything together. Thanks so much for stopping by today. I really appreciate it. If you like the video and want to support my channel, I would love it if you could hit that like button, and also consider subscribing to my channel, as it greatly helps me in getting out my content to other crafters just like you. And I will put in the description box also the supplies I use to make these. I did these very basic you know, basic cardstocks and everything like that. But the sky's the limit. You could totally, you know, make this a goldfish, make this a really cool, you know, use metallics. So you can, the sky is the limit, and there are still advent calendars available. So if you are interested in any of these cutie little products, you are able to still get those. Alright, thanks so much for stopping by. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.